Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk some Chronos, and this is going to be very exciting. Look at the markets, right? We have the election seemingly at a conclusion, and this is surge that we've been going through. Now we see a little bit, I don't want to say a correction, but just not a day we're up 10 to 20%. So I'm going to break that all down for you guys right here in this video. Talk to you a little bit more so about kind of the infrastructure and what's building behind the scenes for Chronos, right? Anybody can sit up here and just talk about green bubbles and everything up 10, 20%, but not so fast. There's some stuff we need to get down into. And there are a lot of people who believe in Chronos. And that's why you guys are watching as we look at the 39th ranked crypto and overall market cap sitting here at the 8615 level here on the charts. Now, why this is important? Well, let's talk about kind of the week and month we've had. Up 17.3%. More notably, though, on TradingView, if we're going to dive into it, I'll apply my trading indicator here. This has been a slow and steady downturn from that vault that we had back up in March of 2024. A very nice uptick where if we want to measure it off and kind of look where this momentum up flashed, we're talking to roughly about a 91.47% increase. And then since that, we have fallen off of this upper peak just in a very short period of time. And I'm talking just since this is about 8 months, okay, where we look into where we've given it all back, down now 60% roughly over that time period of 239 days. So like I said, about 60% of the year Chronos has spent giving it back. But this is why we need to talk about it right here today, because this is something where you don't get back. This is a very sharp move to the green. We have seen momentum up flash. And that's kind of what I want to share with you guys, some premium content here, an inside look to my trading indicator. This is on Wednesday, November 6th. So yesterday we did flash momentum up, and it has since been a nice little ascension as we've crossed above the SMAs very much into this first week and so of November. So up November, maybe we took a little time off, but all seemingly looks like it is all systems go within the crypto world with Donald Trump in office now. Okay. And I don't care who you voted for. Like I said, I'm here to talk about crypto. Trump being in office has a positive effect on crypto right now on this current day in time. Okay. But please do your own research, due diligence. This is not financial advice, just my thoughts involving what's going on in the crypto world. But Chronos has gotten some big breakthrough news. And that's kind of what we wanted to talk about, because Google Cloud, okay, this will be one of the contributors, the main validator on the Chronos blockchain, along with other notable validators such as Crypto.com and Black Daemon, okay, Block Daemon, I should say, sorry. Anyways, the Google Cloud, like I said, will be the main validator. And this partnership is how we're looking into kind of the strengthening its commitment into Web3. We've talked about Web3 a lot, and this shift here that we're going to be seeing, I think, has a lot of implications. And, going from Web 2 to Web 3, that's kind of the narrative here. And I think unfortunately, we had our fun in 2021. We just pumped crypto. Everybody made a ton of gains. And then from 2021 to 2023, everybody kind of just said, screw it. Let's just start learning about this stuff. And I think that's kind of what's been going on a little bit more so. And now we have so many different projects and crypto entities and companies that are derived from the space. And this is kind of what Google has taken notice of. It's a very good sign, commitment to Web3. This is kind of the quote that we saw. You guys can read it for yourself. But Google Cloud will collaborate with Chronos to provide developers with the resources they need to build the next generation of decentralized applications, leveraging the Google Cloud secure infrastructure, AI capabilities, and powerful data analytics tool. So got a kind of nice ring to it, right? So a lot of you Chronos holders out there, I mean, this is something not to shy away from. One of the biggest, if not the biggest, whether or not you have personal thoughts and doubts or you just don't like Google, that's off to the side. Like I said, we're here to talk about crypto. And in terms of the crypto play, this is a very good movement. Okay. So that's kind of what we got going on. My thoughts are Chronos remains bullish. I think this is kind of where we look into more of these larger firms going to be getting into Web3. This is a huge partnership. Okay. Now, other notable Chronos blockchain validators, and this is not to be taken lightly, is Crypto.com, Block Daemon, as well as Ubisoft, one of the gaming platforms out there. Very, 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 very intense technology, as well as Xion. Okay, so this is where we continue to grow, continue to build, and I think that we're going to see a lot of these corporations and companies start really taking notice of what the crypto world's becoming. And I think this continues to evolve as we continue to move forward into 2025 and beyond. All right. So developers looking to build This is going to be a very attractive thing now, as Kronos it brings a ton of validators that provide a lot of Web3 technologies to the table. Okay. And that's kind of what we're getting into. And it's not just going to be these. This list is going to continue to evolve. But this is something where it is a bullish, kind of a little bit of a Kronos breaking news today. This is a bullish headline to couple that and go alongside. So we have a nice little bullish headline to go with the side of a green candlestick. That always makes for a good day. So appreciate you guys watching. As always, make sure you subscribe down below. Remember that does not cost you a thing. It's just a way to tell YouTube that you like what I'm saying and you want to follow me here for your crypto news and information. So make sure you all hit that like, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Cheers.